Hello friends, welcome to our channel 8 Tumkanigar. Today we will see important October current affairs. Important days. World Mental Health Day is observed on 10th October every year. Objective is to raise awareness of mental health issues around the world. International Girl Child Day is celebrated on October 11th every year as a reminder to treat the girls equally. World Arthritis Day is observed on October 12th every year since 1996. It is observed to raise awareness about arthritis, an inflammatory condition that causes pain and stiffness in joints. International news. China has formally joined COVAX, the global initiative for COVID-19 vaccine, by signing an agreement with Gavi, the Vaccine Alliance. World-famous Jog Falls is a waterfall on the Sharavati River located in Karnataka will get modernized at a cost of Rs 120 crore. The Norwegian Nobel Committee has decided to award the Nobel Peace Prize for 2020 to the World Food Programme. It is the world's largest humanitarian organization addressing hunger and promoting food security. National news. India successfully fires anti-radiation missile Rudram-1 to destroy enemy radars. Goa becomes first Har Ghar Jal state in the country by providing 100% tap water connections in rural areas. Uttarakhand Chief Minister Trivendra Singh Rawat launched the Mukhyamantri Swarojgar Yojana self-employment by solar energy farming at Veer Chandra Singh Auditorium in Dehradun. In this scheme, will be allocated solar plants of 25 kilowatt and 10,000 people will get self-employment under this scheme. Reliance Industries Limited Chairman Mukesh Ambani has topped the Forbes India Rich list for 2020. He has retained his position as the wealthiest Indian for the 13th consecutive year. Amazon India ties up with IRCTC, Indian Railway Catering and Tourism Corporation, to provide its customers with a facility to book reserved train tickets on Amazon. Assam CM Sarbananda Sonowal launched Kisan Rath, fruits and vegetables mobile app to facilitate selling of agriculture products. Indian Navy ships Sahyadri and Kora are judged as best ships in Fleet Award Function 2020. Gujarat CM Vijay Rupani dedicated online e-Sanjeevani OPD scheme across Gujarat through video conferencing. The main objective is to provide medical facilities online to the patients for common diseases at their home. Government launches website to support research and development in coal sector. Lieutenant Governor Manoj Sinha inaugurated Kisan Kendra and Agriculture Mall at Jammu. This will help the farming community to get trained on latest techniques and technologies used in agriculture. PM Narendra Modi releases Rs 100 coin to commemorate 100th birth anniversary of Vijaya Raje Scindia. Defence Minister Rajnath Singh inaugurates 44 bridges made by Border Road Organisation to facilitate military and civil transport in our western, northern and the northeast areas. India's 8 beaches get Blue Flag certification. Blue Flag beaches are considered the cleanest beaches of the world. India's GDP expected to contract by 9.6%, says World Bank report. The spread of COVID-19 have severely disrupted supply and demand conditions in India. Appointments. Chaitanya Venkateswaran, 18-year-old Indian girl, got opportunity to become the British High Commissioner of India for a day. Jordan's King Abdullah II swore in a new Prime Minister and cabinet to manage the country through an economic and health crisis, as it faces a growing wave of coronavirus infection. Sports news. Rafael Nadal beat Novak Djokovic in the French Open Final 2020. Polish Iga Swiatek beats Sofia Kenin to win French Open title. Awards. Odia poet Nityanand Naik received the prestigious Sarala Puraskar Award for his poetry work Sete Belku Nattiba. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel and share with your friends.